Hey YouTubers! So I purchased the NAISH Glide Fusion inflatable stand-up paddleboard and just thought I'd go through a bit of an unboxing for you and just show you what I got. The Glide is 12 feet 6 inches in length, 32 inches wide, and 6 inches thick. It's a higher end board that's built by fusing a layer of solid polymer to the drop stitch material as it's being made, which obviously makes it more durable. It's rated at a super high pressure of 21 psi, which is very stiff and probably performs like a composite board at that pressure. It's equipped with US fin box, which allows you to customize your fins, and also comes with an accessory mount for GPSs or cameras. Of course, you get a nice backpack carrying case with roller wheels, and it has plenty of room inside to add other accessories like your towel, leash, life vest, etc. It comes with a dual action hand pump, which lets you switch between dual action, which is high airflow, and single action, which is high pressure mode.
Fantastic. Alright, so this saw blade is great. It's got wheels. And oh yes. Perfect. 20 psi. It's got a mount for camera or a GoPro, which is awesome. And we've got binding straps, lots of handles, more binding straps. Awesome.
We also bought the C-Max SUP electric air pump from Amazon just to assist with inflation. Although I have to admit, the hand pump is actually much faster. This pump takes at least 25 minutes to inflate to about 18 psi, and it will stop after about 20 minutes so that it doesn't overheat, so you have to kind of wait. It's crazy. So the best thing that we've discovered is to hand pump it to around 10 psi and then plug it in, and it cuts time immensely and allows you to get other stuff together while it's inflating. The front and rear cargo bungees are excellent when you want or need to carry more, like me. I like to carry a lot of stuff. It also has front and rear handles, which are a godsend. We also bought a Starboard touring inflatable, and although it comes with a handy shoulder strap, it doesn't come with a nose handle, so it's a little more challenging to carry when you have it loaded with as much stuff as I do. 2 people are required. So on this one, on the NAISH, the front nose strap is excellent. The fin takes a bit of fiddling with because you need to insert the plate into the groove with the butterfly screw and then remove the screw and try to line up the hole with the fin after you insert it. I think we're going to draw a little notch to mark the exact spot so it's easier to install when we're anxious to get out onto the water. Obviously the kit comes with a repair kit. Everything you need, of course. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so the bag is great, it has lots of room and everything, but strangely enough it doesn't have any pockets or anything to put your hand pump into or any of your accessories. You just have to kind of throw it all into the bag there, and it just kind of it's loosely strewn about, while the Starboard bag I found has a nice, like, couple nice little pockets and Velcro straps, so it holds the pump and everything in place. So that's the one thing about this NAISH bag that could have been a little better designed. Oh, and I also bought a 3-piece adjustable paddle. And I have to tell you, originally I was looking for just a 1-piece, regular size to fit me, but honestly the adjustable paddle is the way to go. If somebody else uses your board, they can adjust the paddle to their height. But not only that, when you go to sit down or kneel down on the board, and you will, it allows you to adjust the height so that when you're kneeling, it's set for kneeling position. So it's really a better idea. I would recommend it. And so that's my little review of our new NAISH board. And we took it out to Twin Lakes, which is a little past Pigeon Lake in Alberta, and took it out for our maiden voyage, both the Starboard and this NAISH board, and just had a really great paddle. It was interesting, kind of our first time on these boards, so took a little bit of getting used to and balancing, so glad we did it. And we later went on to do a week in Jasper and did nothing but paddling, so stay tuned. Press subscribe and notification button to be notified of future videos that we post. We'll be sure to post lots more SUP videos and camping videos and different things like that. Thanks everybody. Bye.